Hello everybody, my name is Sari Velar. I'm a wellness provider focusing on yoga, movement, and meditation at Cancer Support Services at Sylvester Comprehensive Cancer Center. I'm here today to take you through a short movement sequence to help you if you're experiencing any tension in your head, neck, or shoulders. I'm seated in a chair, but this practice can also be taken in a comfortable cross-legged position seated down on the ground. If you are seated in a chair, we want to begin by firmly planting your feet on the floor. Your hips will be rooted in the chair. Hands can rest on the tops of the thighs to feel a little bit more grounded, or you can flip the palms up towards the sky if you're in need of a little bit more energy. We'll draw our side body long, lifting the spine nice and tall. You can even take a shoulder roll here to help you stand or sit a little taller. Chin will be parallel to the ground. We'll begin our movement practice by inhaling and looking over to the right hand side. Exhale, we'll bring the head to a neutral position. Inhale, look over to the left. Exhale to center. Inhale over to the right. Exhale to center. Inhale, look over to the left. Exhale to center. Inhale, we'll lift the chin up towards the sky. Exhale to center. Chin will come down towards the chest. Exhale to center. Inhale, lifting the chin up towards the sky. Exhaling to center. Chin comes down towards the chest. Exhale to center. For the next movement, we'll drop the right ear down towards the right shoulder. And you should feel a nice stretch from the back of the ear down the neck towards the shoulder. If you'd like to intensify the stretch, you take your hand, carefully drape it over your shoulder and gently pull down. This should intensify the stretch. You can take a breath or two here. And when you're ready, returning the head to a neutral position, gently release the arm. We'll go for the same thing on the opposite side, dropping the left ear down towards the left shoulder. Again, you have the option of intensifying the stretch, taking the hand, draping it over the shoulder cap, and gently tugging down. Again, you should feel a nice stretch coming from the back of the ear, down the neck, and towards the shoulder. You can hold this for a breath or two, and whenever you're ready, returning the head to a neutral position. Gently release the arm. We're going to take some neck circles, starting by bringing the chin down to the chest, moving the head over to the right, and just letting the head fall back and forward. So there's no real format to this. Just take it slowly and at your own pace. And when you're giving it some turns around, take it in the opposite direction, letting the head fall back to the side and forward a couple of times. When you're ready, returning the head to neutral, you can gently shake the head yes and gently shake the head no, just to let the vertebrae resettle again into their position. So we'll take the shoulders, we're going to take them back a couple times, do a couple of shoulder rolls. So these shoulders should come towards the ear and almost come down the back towards the side body. And we'll take it in the opposite direction, taking those shoulders forward towards the ears, towards the front of the body. When you're ready, bring the right hand out to the side, and we're going to take some nice, big, and wide circles in a forward moving direction. If you have any issues with range of motion or you have limited range of motion, you can always bring the hand to the shoulder using the elbow to make those circles. If you're okay with a full movement, moving forward and taking it backwards as well. Circling around a couple of times. And when you're ready, return the hand to the top of the thigh, extending the left hand out. Same movement. We'll take nice, big, wide circles, moving forward. Again, modification would be bringing the hand to the shoulder and moving around with the elbow. And when you're ready, take that in the opposite direction. Nice, wide circles backward. When you're done, you can bring the hands up to the side, give them a nice shake. For the next movement, we'll bring the hands out to the side. We'll inhale the arms up towards the sky, interlace the fingers, pushing the palms up towards the sky. At the same time, we want to simultaneously bring the shoulders into their sockets. So on an inhale, we're going to lift and stretch our spine and our side body, and we're going to take it over to the right hand side. If you're feeling any discomfort today in your head or neck, keep the gaze forward. If If you want to take it a little further and intensify the stretch, maybe rotating the gaze up towards the sky and rotating those ribs as well, while simultaneously extending with the arms. You can hold here for a breath or two, and when you're ready, on your next inhale, inhaling the arms up towards the sky. Again, we'll go with that elongating movement at the same time, bringing the shoulders down into their sockets. Inhale and come over to the opposite side. Again, you can leave the head at neutral if you're experiencing any discomfort, or take it a little further, turn the head and sight up towards the sky, and perhaps even turning the ribs up towards the sky. Holding here for a breath or two. And when you're ready, on your next inhale, inhaling up and gently releasing the arms down. You can give them a nice shake as well. So we're going to bring the hands out to the side one more time. We're going to inhale the arms up. We're going to come to cactus arms. So we're going to attempt to come into eagle arms. So we're going to try to do right underneath the left. If that's too uncomfortable, you can also bring elbow to elbow. So if you're able to come into eagle arms right underneath the left, and we're just going to make some circles with our elbows, bringing them up high and down low. And we'll take it in the opposite direction, just making a couple of circles. When you're ready, we'll come to a neutral position. We'll inhale those elbows up towards the sky and bring them in towards the belly button, rounding the back. Inhaling up, crunching movement, rounding the back, bringing the head down. Inhaling up. One last time, crunching movement, rounding the back, bringing the head down. When you're ready, bring the arms to neutral, gently unravel, and you can shake out the arms again. We'll go for eagle arms on the opposite side. Again, hands towards the side, inhaling the arms up, coming to cactus arms, and this time we'll attempt the left arm underneath the right. Again, modification would be just bringing the elbows in together. So going left underneath the right, we'll lift the elbows nice and high and take circles in one direction. And in the opposite direction. Bringing our eagle arms to a neutral position, we'll inhale the elbows up towards the sky. Exhale, rounding the back. Inhale the elbows up towards the sky. You'll feel the arch in your lower back. Rounding those shoulders, letting the head come forward. One last time, inhaling up towards the sky. Rounding, letting the head come forward. And we'll come to a neutral position again. Gently unravel those arms. Let them shake, 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 shake. Last movement I have for you, we'll come a little more forward in the chair. We'll take the hands and we're going to interlace them behind the back, drawing the shoulder blades close together. So you should feel the shoulder blades come together and the collarbones broaden or open theoretically. So you can hold the movement here, or if not, maybe you can intensify and take a little bit of a back bend and look up towards the sky. Maybe even coming forward and coming into a partial forward bend, whatever works for you. So again, we'll gently release, shake out the hands, and we'll take that movement one more time. So this can be done whenever you're feeling a lot of tension in your upper back. Quick movement, only takes a couple of seconds. Interlace the hands right behind you. Draw them down as if the wrists were being pulled towards the chair. You'll automatically see your collarbone start to broaden and your shoulders come down, chin parallel to the ground. Again, if you'd like to intensify this stretch, you can inhale and take a little back bend here. You'll feel the arch in the lower spine. You want to take it a little bit further, inhaling, coming forward, and maybe holding a couple of breaths there. You can gently release the arms forward, and we'll roll up vertebrae by vertebrae until we come to a seated position. I hope that was helpful, and I look forward to practicing with you again. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.